Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
What's up, guys? Will H Tech Review back with another video, and we're going to take a look at my little desk that I picked up. As you guys know, if you watch my videos, I'm trying to set up me a budget desk setup for my YouTube, and I found a desk on Amazon.com. This is the one I found. So this is by BOJOY. Computer desk, PC, laptops, study table. It's 47 inches. Study, office desk, modern, simple style table for home office, workstation, notebook, writing desk with extra monitor stand. So that was one thing I was looking for, to get to have a way to elevate my monitor a little bit. So these are some pictures of it. Something simple. It's water resistant right there. So here are some of the measurements. Here is 23 by 6 inches deep. I'll say it's 47 inches wide and 29 inches high. So that is it. Price on it was $55.99. So this is a budget desk, man. And we're gonna take a look at it. And this would be all I need, man, for right now. And as time goes by, I may get something different. There's the box over there. Let's take a look at the box and see what's in it. So you got two legs here. Two more. These are the supports, I'm assuming, for each side. Two more there. I'm not sure what that is. We get a box here. Don't have my knife. I also get, well, they gave me a phone holder. That's in the box. I didn't know that was coming. You get a box with all of your screws in it here. And they also give you a screwdriver to put it together. And let me see what's in the brown box here. So this is going to be your monitor stand here. That's what this is. So you got your monitor stand and the two pieces that you mount to the bottom of it. And that's it, guys. And you got your main part of your desk. Let me go ahead and get this stuff out. Here's the desk. So you get the top frame of it, like so. They have it packaged well, very well. Here's the desk part of it. So that is it. That's the desk. Kind of a black wood type looking look to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this cleaned up, and then I'll show you the best I can putting this together. All right, guys, we're back in. This is the bag with all of the screws in it. So you get some longer ones here, connect your table legs. These connect your supports, I guess. And then you have your wrench to tighten stuff up. And then you have some very tiny wood screws here. Now these are going to be used to connect the frame, the big frame there, to the top piece of it. So that's where the screwdriver. So this has a Phillips head on it, and these have this Allen wrench style head on them. So no instructions in the box. So we're gonna have to just wing it. So let's go ahead and start putting this together. Okay guys, so here is one of the long legs. So on the bottom of it, you see you do have somewhere where you can adjust the height of it, of the desk. And then here, this is where your screws are gonna tighten, are gonna go through and fix it to the frame right there. So I wanted to show you guys this close up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this first leg on. So it's gonna go in that corner like this, guys. Just like this, and we're gonna get the screws. So this is one of the shorter screws. I'm not using the long ones there. So these are the two screws, and I'm using this shorter screw to connect that to the frame over there. Alright, so I got that one tightened up. So that is the first one. We're going to go ahead and do the next one, and I'll show you in between. Alright guys, so this next piece is a shorter piece, but as you see, it has holes on both sides, and it goes right here. Just like that, and that's what connects the two legs together. You're going to use this long screw for this, so let's go ahead and do it. Stick your screw through, get your piece started here. Make sure you get it aligned because you don't want to cross your threads up. And as simple as that, guys. And then you take your next leg, this leg here, and it's going to go on this side right here. Let me see at my camera angle here. So this next leg is going to go here, just like so. So we're going to connect that, and then we'll come back and look at it. Okay guys, so one thing I wanted to show you, they do have these marked with A and B, and the frame is marked with A and B. So you just take your B, which is this long leg, and it connects in just like this. So you can see your two holes here, right there, and two holes right there, and your screw just goes straight through there like that. And then you do the other same over there. All right guys, we're gonna finish this part of it up, and then we'll put the top on it. All right guys, so one more thing I wanted to say about these. You can adjust these if your desk is a little bit wobbly, then you can turn these to even it off. So that's what I wanted to say about that. So we got it all together, and I'm gonna flip it over and let you guys see. All right guys, so this is the frame completely put together. You see how the screws go through here, just like so, each side. So now right here on each corner of it, this is where this piece is gonna go. So I'm gonna move this out of the way, and what I'm gonna do is just set the top piece on the floor, and then I'll mount it to it. I'll show you guys what I mean. All right, guys, so I have the top piece laid flat on the floor and going to take the frame and flip it over on top of it. Now, there are no pre-drilled holes in here to mount this to, so you're going to have to just use your drill and drill your screws into it to hold it there. So let's do it. All right, guys, so we have the top part of the desk facing down, and it's not marked top or bottom. So I just looked at it and just picked one side that didn't have any blemishes, and I'm using this one had just a little bit of blemish on this side, so I put that underneath. Took my frame. This doesn't have pre-drilled holes here, so you have to just pretty much align it all the way around so it's equal with your top there. And this wood is soft enough where I didn't need a drill to get my screws started. I just used the included screwdriver, and that's how I got them started. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. All right, guys, so take your screw, get it in this hole here, and just put a little pressure on it, and it'll start by itself, because this wood is very soft, like so. Then you just tighten it down. So that's one, and then you get your other one started same way. Or if you got a drill, you know, if you have a drill, you can do that. But this is, and a drill would be faster, but this is so soft, you can just screw these in by hand. Just like that, guys. I'm gonna finish them off, and then we'll take a look at the desk. All right, guys, here is the desk. I have the top piece mounted on it. Came out pretty good, man. So this is a kind of a gray black color, like a wood pattern on it almost. Here's the monitor stand right there. It's a different color. You guys see, that's a little bit darker wood color. So it came out good, guys, and very easy to do, although the instructions weren't in the box. Not very hard to put together. And so let's go ahead and get the monitor stand hooked up. It did come with some instructions, so let me mount my camera and then we'll finish it. All right, guys, so here it is, final product. You got some metal legs here. Got a nice sturdy desk all together. Got your monitor riser there. Also came with a phone stand. And this is gonna look pretty neat, man. I can't wait to show you guys my final setup here. It's gonna be pretty neat. I'm excited about it. My whole setup for probably less than $200. It's not gonna be bad. Catch you guys in the next video. Will H. I'm out.